So, you're thinking about jumping into commercial real estate? Let's get real. It's exciting, but it's not all sunshine and cash flow. There are real risks, and I want you to know what you're walking into. First up, vacancies. Picture buying a building, and suddenly, no tenants. That means zero income, but your mortgage, still ticking. The fix? Always have a cash buffer. Experts call it a reserve fund. Think 3 to 6 months of operating expenses, stashed away just in case. Next, let's talk about market swings. Commercial property values can tank if the economy slows down or if there's too much competition in your area. To protect yourself, do your homework up front. Study the local market. Who's moving in? Who's moving out? Ask tough questions before you sign anything. And don't forget about maintenance. Broken elevators, busted pipes, you name it. It's your problem. I always recommend setting aside a percentage of your rent for repairs. It's not glamorous, but it saves you from nasty surprises. Finally, there's the fine print. Loan terms, zoning laws, lease agreements. They can trip you up if you're not careful. Always work with a qualified real estate attorney and an experienced broker. Trust me, this alone can save you thousands. Look, commercial real estate isn't just for the fearless, it's for the well-prepared. By being transparent about the risks and having a plan to tackle them, you can build real wealth, one smart move at a time. Stay sharp, stay honest, and don't be afraid to ask the hard questions. That's how you win in this game.